What's up, crew? I'm Ryan, this is Slam. Today we're actually going to be working on her 94 Z28, and so what we're actually going to be doing is pretty simple. Replacing the rear panel. We've actually got a black one, so not sure how you say it, Berger panel. Normally it's like the flat black, we've actually got the gloss, but I'm just gonna take the panel off, get it replaced. So just adds a little touch to the back. So it should be pretty simple, so we'll see how it goes. Once you get the trunk open, we're actually just gonna have to pull some of this, because we're gonna have to access the tail lights and pull those out, so that way we can actually access the panel to pull it off. So the first step is just to figure out how to get to the tail lights. All right, so our first step is actually just gonna be removing the interior panels. So you just turn you can use a coin or a screwdriver, but you simply kind of unlock them. More so than, they don't screw out. You just kind of turn them, that unlocks it, and then it just pops right off. And you just pull that piece out. So that way you can access your spare tire. And also we can get to the taillights. So there's not really a way to really get the camera in there to show you, but if you kind of pull up on this edge at the back corner, there's actually a little screw underneath there. And like I said, it's hard to see. But there's a screw, and you just pop that out. And then you should be able to just pry up. Yeah, so we should honestly probably don't have to take this piece off, just kind of pop it out. So then you can pop this down and then gain access to what you need. So I think really the only things that are holding the taillights in are these little, like you can turn these tabs. On the back side, it looks just like this. And there's two of them. Now our taillights are loose. And then there's also, so once you get the two screws out, the plastic screws, then the actual panel is held in. There's a 10mm like bolt. Just loosen that up. There's one on each side. There's two of those. Got like the bolt with the washer on the back of it. Get those out. Two in the very corner. Kind of give you a better perspective. So there's the two black tabs. There's just two of those. They just simply unscrew. And then there was our bolt here that we've taken off. Yeah. Oh, that wasn't the bolt, that was the clip.
Yeah. Looks like this side only has one bolt.
But yeah, so it should just be like 4 black plastic clips. And then 4 bolts, and that should be it. Hold it in. On the other side, like, you couldn't really get the wrench on it. Like, you loosened it and you had to like hand do the rest of it. And voila! We got the red one off. So just hang tight. Okay. Now she's holding those, so it helps if you have an extra set of hands. But that way you don't have to undo, and we'll just throw the black one on. So I'm gonna slide this in place. Alright, but yeah, that's as simple as it is. So I mean, like, once you get the interior pieces out, and get the jack and the spare tire out, then you can just pull, like I said, I think it's 4 bolts and then 4 like plastic screw clip things. and then an extra set of hands, because I don't like unplugging all the taillights and everything like that, so you really don't need to. And that way you know everything will work when you put it back in. But I think it drastically changes up the back.
Yeah.
So now we're just tightening everything back down.
Yeah.
Because we were messing with the wires, so. Yeah, we got taillights, so.
Awesome.
We didn't pinch a wire or anything, so we'll put the interior pieces back and we should be good to go. So apparently putting the jack back in is proving the most difficult part of this whole thing.
Because I wasn't paying attention.
Do some weight savings, leave that crap out. Because we would have been done half an hour ago.
I think that's fine.
Yeah, and that should be it. Now you can close your hatch and make sure everything lines up. So it's pretty straightforward. Just a little, didn't take really too long, maybe 20 minutes. But we fought more honestly with the jack more than anything else. So if you want to lose that, that's not a big deal, but it looks, I think it looks a lot better.
I like it too.
So, I don't know. And it's one of those things where now, we just picked up like an extra panel. So that way you can swap it back and forth if you want, and it's no big deal. There you have it. Berger panel. I say Berger, I don't even know what it is. But it's Berger panel. Not that difficult to do. Like I said, you get an extra set of hands. You don't have to unhook the taillights at all. So, and it drastically changes up. And also we just made it look a little cleaner. Took the Z28 badges off. So tell us what you think. Thanks for watching.